Losing an entire SD card full of photos or accidentally deleting a precious collection of family memories can be scarier than you ever thought. One second, everything is there, and the next, you're staring at an empty folder wondering if those moments are gone forever. But in many cases, deleted photos are still sitting on your storage device, waiting to be recovered before new files overwrite them. To make the process easier, we tested and compared the top 5 photo recovery software tools that can help you bring your lost pictures back safely. We tried scanning a 128GB SD card, which took around X minutes. So let's recover them. If you've ever accidentally formatted an SD card after a shoot or deleted photos before backing them up, Stellar Photo Recovery is one of those tools that's definitely worth having in your toolkit. The software is built specifically for photographers and videographers, and it can recover deleted photos, videos, audio files, and even raw image formats from just about any storage device, including SD cards, CF Express cards, SSDs, hard drives, USB drives, drones, and digital cameras. It supports RAW files from Canon, Sony, Nikon, Fujifilm, Panasonic, and many other popular camera brands, making it a solid option no matter what system you're shooting with. What we really like is how straightforward the interface is. You simply choose what type of files you want to recover, select the drive, and start scanning. During our testing, we also noticed some useful extras like scan, pause, and resume, the ability to save scan information for later, file previews before recovery, and even the option to manually add unsupported file types. The standard version focuses on unlimited recovery, while the premium edition also adds photo and video repair if you're dealing with corrupted files. There's even a free version that lets you recover up to 10 media files before upgrading, with the standard edition currently priced at $49.99 and the premium edition at $69.99 during the current promotion. Overall, if your work revolves around cameras and memory cards, Stellar Photo Recovery is one of the easiest and most complete recovery tools we've used. Moving on to a completely free alternative, PhotoRec takes an entirely different approach to data recovery. Developed as open-source software, PhotoRec completely ignores the drive's file system structure and scans raw disk sectors directly to uncover hidden images. This means it can salvage photos from severely corrupted drives, formatted SD cards, or unreadable storage media where other software might give up. However, we should mention that PhotoRec uses a command line interface by default, though a basic graphic utility called QPhotoRec is available on some systems. Because it reads raw disk data, it recovers your pictures without their original file names or folder paths, leaving them sorted into generic folders. It requires a bit of manual sorting afterward, but since it has 0 file limits and costs nothing, it remains one of the most powerful recovery utilities around. Compared with PhotoRec, Stellar is much easier for beginners because everything is handled through a graphical interface. Building on that search for completely free solutions, our Photo offers a balanced middle ground specifically built for photo and video recovery. Developed by RTools technology, this utility uses the exact same recovery engine found in their enterprise-grade software, RStudio, but provides it free of charge for non-commercial personal use. We appreciate that our Photo focuses strictly on image and video formats, which keeps the user interface simple and streamlined. It handles standard file systems like NTFS, FAT32, XFS, and REFS, and it even allows you to preview media files without needing extra codecs installed. You can create virtual disk images to scan failing hardware safely, making it a reliable option when dealing with unstable drives. Turning our attention to long-standing desktop utilities, Recuva by CC Cleaner remains a popular entry-level tool for Windows users. We find its step-by-step wizard especially helpful for anyone who wants a straightforward recovery process. You simply launch the tool, select that you are looking for pictures, pick the drive location, and let the software handle the initial quick scan. If a basic scan comes up empty, Recuva includes a deep scan feature that digs through unallocated drive sectors to find buried file headers. The free version offers unlimited data recovery without artificial file size caps, which is a massive perk for lightweight recovery jobs. While it may struggle with heavily corrupted formatted drives compared to advanced paid tools, its speed and simple wizard make it a great first step for basic accidental deletions. Finally, looking at advanced options for technical recovery, DMDE, short for DM Disk Editor and Data Recovery, is a lightweight tool that packs serious capability. Unlike simple consumer software, DMDE gives us direct access to disk structures, partition management, and raw sector editing. What makes DMDE impressive is its generous free tier. Instead of limiting recovery by total gigabytes, the free edition lets you recover up to 4,000 files from a single selected directory per request, with no limit on how many requests you can run. The interface is dense and looks a bit dated, which can feel intimidating at first glance, but if you take a few minutes to navigate the directory tree, DMDE delivers commercial-grade deep recovery capabilities for complex disk corruption without charging you a penny. To sum things up, if you want an easy, guided experience, Stellar Photo Recovery and Recuva are great places to start. If you're handling severe drive corruption or want completely free recovery without file size limits, PhotoRec, RPhoto, and DMDE offer unbeatable power if you're willing to learn their interfaces. Pick the tool that matches your technical comfort level and start recovering. All the links are given in the description below. Try them out and share your experience with us. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.